Now let's see this. Consider the 64-bit register which stores floating point numbers in IEEE double precision format. What is the value of the number if 64 bits are given below? Now they are saying that we are using double precision. Okay. Now in double precision we know that 1 bit is given for sign and the remaining 11 bits are given for exponent, and the remaining I think 52 bits. 52 bits are given for mantissa, right? So 1 bit is given for sign and 11 bits for exponent and 52 bits for mantissa. Now by looking at the exponent you should be able to guess what that number could be. So if exponent and mantissa both are equal to zeros, then we have to think that it is 0. If it is 0 and if it is not a 0, then you have to think that it is a fractional representation, right? If it is all ones and if it is any number, then it is either infinity. If it is all ones and 0, it is infinity. If it is all ones and if it is not 0, then it is not a number. Other than this, whatever combination you get, then it is going to be implicit normalized form. Therefore this number is clearly in implicit normalized form, right? So we have to find out, before going ahead, we have to find out what the exponent is. So the exponent is, this is 2 power 10. 2 power 10 plus 3 is there. So which means it is going to be 1024 plus 3, which means 1027 is the exponent given, right? Now we shall write it using, implicit normalization form. How to write it is minus 1 power s. So sign bit is given as 1, therefore the number is negative, into 1 point m. Why 1 point m? Because implicit normalization, into 2 power e. What is exponent here? 1027 minus, in double precision we know that it is excess 1023, therefore bias is 1023. I am just removing it, right? Now what do I get? Minus 1 into 1 point, what is mantissa? 11011, isn't it? All the remaining are 0, so I am not putting them there, into 2 power 4, right? So it is minus, you can leave it as it is, minus. So now if you multiply this number with 2 power 4, I can move this radix point to 4 digits right. So which means it is going to be 12301.1. Now convert this to decimal. So we know that this number is 29, right? So this is, if you would have had all ones, it is 32 and minus 2 is 29, right? So it is minus 29 and then 0.1 is there. So if you convert it to decimal, it is going to be 0.5. So the value is minus 29.5. That is what is represented using double precision number. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral. which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.